Ready to learn about the good manners? Guess each answer in 10 seconds. What should you say when you want to ask for something politely? Options: A. Give me. B. Please. C. Now. The correct answer is B. Please.
Yay!
How should you greet someone when you meet them? Options: A. Hi. B. What's up? C. Ignore them. The correct answer is A. Hi.
Yay!
What should you say after receiving a gift? Options: A. Cool. B. Nothing. C. Thank you. The correct answer is C. Thank you.
Yay!
What do you say if you accidentally bump into someone? Options: A. Oops. B. Sorry. C. Move. The correct answer is B. Sorry.
Yay!
What should you do when someone is talking and you want to say something? Options: A. Interrupt them. B. Wait your turn. C. Shout louder. The correct answer is B. Wait your turn.
Yay!
How do you show respect when someone is speaking to you? Options: A. Look away. B. Listen carefully. C. Start talking to someone else. The correct answer is B. Listen carefully.
Yay!
What should you do if someone helps you with something? Options: A. Say thanks. B. Walk away. C. Ignore them. The correct answer is A. Say thanks.
Yay!
What do you say when you want to leave a conversation? Options: A. Bye. B. Just walk away. C. Don't say anything. The correct answer is A. Bye.
Yay!
How should you behave when eating at the table? Options: A. Talk with your mouth full. B. Use good table manners. C. Make a mess. The correct answer is B. Use good table manner.
Yay!
What should you do if you want someone's attention but they are busy? Options: A. Wait patiently. B. Keep calling them. C. Tap them repeatedly. The correct answer is A. Wait patiently.
Yay!
You did an amazing job. Red